Hello, I'm Dr. Thaman, examiner for the MRCP PACES course. We're at the end of a very successful course. We've been running this for several years now, and I'm very proud to say that we've taken hundreds of people through the exam. It's a very successful course. I think it's jam-packed. The candidates gain an awful lot of information. We always get fantastic feedback. We're very careful to get feedback on our course, and we always consistently get excellent feedback. The candidates get the first 2 days of learning clinical skills, examination, practicing examination on real patients, and then we have the final day, the third day, where we focus on history taking and communication skills. We do presentation skills in between as well, and I really feel that the candidates by the end of it become really far more mature and able to cope with the exam in far more detail. So I think it's an excellent course, and I hope you'll be able to join us in the future. Thank you.